When I was a child, my hero was Xena, the warrior princess. Hello, my name is Laura, but my colleagues also call me Lolo. I've been working as Employer Brand Coordinator at Tractebel for 3 years. When I explain my job, people usually think I'm firing people, but I'm actually doing the opposite and I'm highlighting the great people we have in the company. I decided to join Tractebel actually I didn't know at the time, but now it's to feel that we also have an impact on the future. When I arrive at work, I start by saying hello to everybody and then I make some jokes and then I start working. The best place in the office is the cafeteria. What I love the most about my job is my colleagues and the flexibility and diversity that I have at work. The projects I work on are challenging and I learn a lot by doing it. My biggest challenge was to take on a role in communication as my background is in human resource. We must take care of our colleagues because we're working better together. I believe that being conscious and being aware of our impact are important to take care of our planet. One thing that my colleagues don't know about me is I think they know a lot about me. The next step in my career is maybe becoming an engineer. I'm proud of the nice work we were able to accomplish because it was not easy to collaborate remotely. So that's all. I'm leaving you with one thought, my work philosophy, just be happy.